It is now my great pleasure to announce that the winner of this year's Ryman Prize is Miia Kivipelto.
I was so surprised and so happy. It was really a big surprise. So it took a while to really understand that it's true. And what I really found so interesting and nice was that this is for one innovation or some finding that has improved the quality of life of elderly persons. So it's not only scientific finding, but it has had some impact. And that I think was extra nice. And it's of course a great honor for me, but also for the whole study team, and it gives so much new energy to continue our work. I have always been interested about brain and brain health, how we behave, what happens when we are getting older. And then my own grandmother developed Alzheimer's disease, and that gave to me the personal feeling how important it is to study this disease. I was very close, my grandmother. We were living in the same house. My own mother took care of her, so I could see all the years when she had the disease and when her memory started to fail. And still, despite the disease, she was still the same warm person. And I think that gave me the inspiration to really work with elderly persons. That has been always what I have wanted to do. So the connection, brain and aging people, that's what I have always wanted to do. I'm leading a multidisciplinary team around 100 persons located in Sweden, Finland and UK. I would say that this team is really the key for this success we have been doing. It's a multidisciplinary, different persons, very dedicated team. I'm very happy for that. Every 3 seconds someone is developing dementia. There are 50 million persons today. 2050 the number is 150 million. So it's really a dementia epidemic. When I started my research more than 20 years ago, it was not so much we knew about possibilities to prevent or reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. It was only high age and the genetic risk factors, so it was quite fatalistic attitude. Given the complexity of Alzheimer's disease, we think that we probably need to target several risk factors and mechanisms simultaneously. Then we developed the finger model, the first randomized controlled trial showing that it is possible to reduce the risk of cognitive impairment with the multi-domain intervention. So in the finger model, it's like 1 hand and 5 fingers. We have physical activity, healthy balanced diet, cognitive stimulation, social activities, and taking care of all vascular risk factors like blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and obesity. It's the first time we could show that it is possible to prevent cognitive impairment. It's the first large, long-term randomized controlled trial. In that way, it was really changing the whole concept that prevention is possible and is feasible. And that's why I think finger has been getting so much interest in the whole world. Now we are having the worldwide fingers. I'm leading that with more than 30 countries from all continents. So it's really wonderful to see that.